Sephora's growing community really is the perfect environment to facilitate that type of intimate connection.
Just like the idea of like being able to be mentored and learn from these amazing leaders that had such an amazing impact in the beauty world.
It would be a game changer. For us, definitely.
We are excited to let you know that you've been accepted into the Accelerate program.
We spent really this first 12 months creating what we feel is like the foundational hair care routine.
It's going to give me and my partner the lifetime tools that we need to be successful in the beauty space.
Oh my God!
I started Wonder Curl 11 years ago. Nothing worked on my hair. So I was like, you know what? I can create the perfect hair gel.
Doing it by myself, it would take me longer and it'd be more difficult, but like doing it with people who've done it and experts like y'all, it's just gonna be a bigger impact.
My vision for House of Foster is really for it to become a modern fragrance lifestyle brand.
This is a product where you don't have to mix 5 things to get to where you want.
My name is Madhu, Punjabi, and this is Nisha, Phatak. We really want to increase representation and encourage products that actually work for our skin tone.
I've had this concept or dream for Kempt for quite some time.
My name is Sravya. I am the CEO and founder of Mango People. We are an LA-based clean beauty brand.
We are excited to let you know you are accepted into the Accelerate program.
Oh my God. Oh my God, thank you so much. Are you serious?